Alright guys, here we go. Oh, let's get into the right area. We got the mini Raz on the Flames jersey, signed Flames jersey, number 3. Again, thanks to everybody that got in on this one. So we got 9 spots. We dropped spot 10. So we'll go in here and grab these guys. Copy. Put those in there. Alright. Just going to go down here. Live. Good luck. Alright, the time is 12:24. Alright, here we go. 2 6-sided die. Roll that. Number is 5. Okay. And let's begin. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, last roll. Time is 12:24 again. Just rolled 12:25. Final round. Winner is Tracy Danberger and Chris Atkinson. Congratulations, guys. We'll take and we will go. There's your code there. Time 18. That doesn't seem right. Where's the time? Time's not right there. 12:25. Back over. Done. Time 12:25. Alright guys, thanks so much. I think we got 5 spots left in the main, so we can try and draw that this weekend. That'd be awesome. Alright, thanks again guys.